Hey, what's up everybody? This is Rsass501 and today I want to go over the lowest recoil build for the M1A in patch 12.9 of Escape from Tarkov. Now, before we get into the video, 99% of you that watch my videos aren't subscribed, so make sure to subscribe if you want to keep up with all my Escape from Tarkov videos. And like with all of my builds, there will be a link in the description to the Tarkov Gunsmith website where you can go and see all of these parts and see updated prices for all these parts on the flea market. And the M1A is still an extremely strong weapon this patch, just like last patch. And even though it was hit with some pretty big nerfs, I think it is sharing the slot now with a couple other weapons that was pretty much dominated by it last patch, but it is still a very good weapon. So first off, we're using the 22-inch barrel, and then for the sight, you can use whatever you want, but the only things you have to determine when using the sight is what range you're going to be using these sights at, what sights you like to use, and how much that sight is going to affect the ergo of the weapon. Then we're going to be using a front and a rear sight, and you can use any of them to give one additional ergo for the front and the rear sight. I personally use the Magpul MBus Gen 2 front and rear sights. And then for the stock, we're going to be using the Mesa Tactical Crosshair hydraulic buffer tube. And then on that, we're going to have the Magpul PRS Gen 3 stock. And then for the body of the weapon, we're using the Troy SASS chassis stock. And then for the pistol grip, we're using the Magpul Mo pistol grip, which is the best for ergo. Now, if this grip is extremely expensive on the flea market, which it is sometimes, or it seems like most of the time, you can use any of the Hogue overmolded rubber grip. These will only reduce the ergo by 1 compared to the Mo pistol grip, and there are a bunch of different colors of these Hogue grips, and most of them are a lot cheaper than the Mo pistol grip. For the magazine, you don't have different options for the same size of magazine, so you don't say have two 30-rounder options. So pretty much the only options are between 30 rounders and 50 rounders. And personally for me, I only use the 30 rounders. I don't think the 20 rounders have enough ammo in them for this weapon. And the 50 rounders, if you go with the 50 rounder over the 30, it's minus 11 ergo with the 50 compared to just having the 30 rounder on the weapon. With the changes of all the stats in this patch, I don't think 50 rounders are viable at all. And I think the 30 rounders are going to be good enough in terms of how much ammo they have to never warrant using these 50 rounders. And next for the grip, we're using the Zenit RK2, which is the lowest recoil. Now, if you're looking for some extra ergo and you have some recoil to spare, you can go with the Zenit RK1 for an additional 5 ergo with only a slight recoil increase. Or if you want to go further into ergo, you can go with the Fortis Shift Tactical Grip, which is an additional 12 ergo with a little bit more recoil increase compared to the RK1. And then for the muzzle attachment, we're using the direct thread adapter for Atlantic Blast mitigation device, then the Atlantic Blast mitigation device, and then the Atlantic Dragon muzzle brake. This combination gives a massive amount of recoil reduction, and overall this combination has been nerfed since last patch. And I think this is one of the big reasons that the M1A now shares this slot with pretty much two other weapons, the Rsass and the SR-25, because they both have some buffs compared to the M1A, being silenced and being a little bit lighter compared to last patch where the M1A was just miles and above every other weapon. And then for the final piece, we have our tactical device. Now, I always use the D-Ball tactical flashlights on any weapon they can be put on. They have an IR flashlight and a normal flashlight, which is super helpful, but you can use whatever tactical device you want. And that is the entirety of the build. And like I said, there will be a link in the description to the Tarkov Gunsmith, so you can easily see all the parts you need for this build and see updated prices for all those parts on the flea market. So subscribe if you want to see more Escape from Tarkov videos. Leave a like if you liked the video. Leave a comment below what you guys think about this build, and thanks for watching.
Ну и что тут есть, что
ничего.
нет?
Скупщику все продам и заживем.
Вон, он, сука! Вон он, блядь! Ебашь его! Вон! Вот! Распятую! Вон он, сука! Вон! Вон он! Это... Вон он! Блядь, еб... Кидай подарок! Вот! Угол! Escort! Контакт! Блядь, граната!